Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock your Cadillac CTS with a key. It's a simple process that can be a lifesaver if your key fob battery dies or isn't working. First, you'll need to find the hidden physical key inside your key fob. Most fobs have a small button or latch to release it. Once you have the key, head over to the driver's side door. Now that you have the physical key, insert it into the keyhole on the driver's door handle. You'll typically find this keyhole discreetly integrated into the handle itself. Once inserted, turn the key clockwise about 1/4 to 1/2 turn. You should feel a slight click as the lock disengages. Then, simply pull the door handle to open the door and gain entry to your vehicle. Upon opening the door with the physical key, your car's alarm system might activate. Don't worry, this is normal. To disarm it, simply insert the key into the ignition cylinder. Turning the key to the on or run position, or even starting the engine, will typically silence the alarm and reset the security system. This usually takes just a few seconds to complete. To avoid future manual entry situations, remember to replace your key fob battery every 1 to 2 years. It's also a great idea to keep a spare physical key in a secure, accessible location, perhaps with a trusted friend or family member. Knowing how to manually unlock your Cadillac CTS provides peace of mind, ensuring you can always access your vehicle, even in unexpected circumstances.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.